This is pre-calculus. This section, we're going to use fundamental trigonometric identity to verify trigonometric expression. So previous videos, we're talking about fundamental trigonometric identity, reciprocal identity, quotient identity, Pythagorean identity. So we're going to use to simplify trigonometric expression, guys. Let's just start this simple trigonometric expression by using the identity. Main idea about the simplify or verifying trigonometric expression is you try to change trigonometric expression into the sine cosine term. That's the basic idea. Okay, let's just start this one, guys. Let's just start it. Simplify sine cosine square x minus sine x. We are not have the fraction form. So here's the sine x, cosine square x minus sine x. So we're gonna have, when you see common factor, you're gonna take it out. So common factor is sine x. You have cosine square x minus 1. So we're going to simplify, more simplification. So cosine square theta, cosine square x going to be 1 minus sine square theta, right? So you're going to do this one, sine x, cosine square 1 minus sine square x minus 1. Okay? So what do you see? 1 is cancelled out. 1 negative 1 is cancelled out. You have this one is the sine x minus sine square x. So sine x, what is the sine square x meaning is sine x times sine x. So how many times? Here is a negative, negative, sine x, 1, 2, 3. Here, right there. That's you're gonna simplify, guys, okay? This one is you're gonna change everything in the sine term by using the Pythagorean identity. Next one is let's just simplify this form and write the final answer without fraction, okay? So idea is right here, guys, secant x gonna be changed, cotangent x changed. Secant x is gonna be reciprocal identity, one of cosine x. Cotangent x is quotient identity. Here is a cosine x over sine x. Basic idea is you're going to change everything in terms of sine, cosine. So let's do this one. Secant square x, cotangent square x, cosine x, secant square x. This meaning is 1 of cosine x squared times, here is a cotangent x mean cosine x over sine x. Here, cosine x is fraction form, cosine x over 1. So what is 1 over cosine square x? 1 over cosine square x means 1 over cosine square x meaning is, square meaning is 1 over cosine x, 1 over cosine x. So you have this one, 1 over cosine square x times cosine x cosine x, cosine square x over sine x times 1, sine x. So you have simplification, this one, this is cancel out. What do you have? 1 over sine x, that's a fraction form. Change it, 1 over sine x gonna be cosecant x. Here, 1 over sine x gonna be cosecant x. That you simplify very simple form of this one, guys. Let's do another one. It's a little harder one. So we have verified trigonometric identity is left side, right side the same. That you have proven. Always you're gonna start with the complicated one. That's a start point. So we're gonna do here secant square x minus 1 over secant square x. Thinking about all the identity to simplify, verify this one. So this one is just separate numerate, secant square x minus 1 over secant square x. Okay? Just keep in mind there's not one way you solve it. Secant square x minus secant square x, that's going to be cancelled out. Here is 1 minus 1 over secant x going to be cosine x, reciprocal identity. So this one is cosine x squared. Okay? So now you have 1 minus cosine square x. What is 1 minus cosine square x? Right here. Sine square x. Left side, right side is the same. You prove it. Okay? Let's do another practice question, guys. This one is the left side, right side. You're gonna pick which one looks more complicated to you. So I'm gonna pick, guys, I'm gonna pick right side. You can pick left side and then go to the right side. It's up to you. 1 minus sine x plus 1 plus sine x. So how can simplify this one first? Same denominator. 1 minus sine x, 1 plus sine x. So what did you do? You say here is a times 1 plus sine x. So you have times 1 plus sine x. What do you do second one? You here times 1 minus sine x. You have times 1 minus sine x. Look at the numerator. So you have numerator 1 plus sine x. Why? 1 times 1 plus sine x plus 1 times 1 minus sine x, 1 minus sine x. Everything make sense? Okay, sine x cancel out, sine x cancel out. So top is simplified already. That's the 2. What is denominator? Let's simplify denominator. Expand it. 1 sine x minus sine x minus sine square x. Sine x times the sine x. Okay, so middle part is gone. So you have 1 minus sine square x. That you have. What is 1 minus sine square x? Identity. This identity, guys. Guys, remember this one? This one is cosine square x. So you have here 2 cosine square x. I'm going to rewrite 2 times 1 of cosine square x. So 2 times 1 of cosine x squared. What is 1 of cosine square x? This one is secant x. So you have 2 secant square x. That's your program, guys, okay? So that's how to verify trigonometric expression. All you did here use identity we study. So make sure which identity you're going to use. It's not easy, but you're going to try to change each term into the sine, cosine, and look up the identity. Then you're going to replace it. This one is another example of trigonometric identity problem. Guys, look at this x squared plus 9. That's going to be some expression in terms of x. We're going to change this one is a theta. We using x equals 3 tangent theta. So let's see this one. So square root x squared plus 9. We're going to using this one square root. What is x? 3 tangent theta square plus 9. You see, 3 tangent theta square meaning is 3 tangent theta, 3 tangent theta. So 3 times 3 is 9, tangent times tangent is tangent square theta. So you have this one, square root 9 tangent square theta plus 9. So what is common factor here? 9 here, 9 here. So we're going to take it out 9. Tangent square theta plus 1. So you're going to separate square root 9, square root, tangent square theta plus 1. Square root 9, you're going to know the 3. What is a tangent square plus 1? Secant square theta. So this one is square root secant square theta What is the square root and square? That's the 3 secant theta. So this algebraic expression, guys, change into the function of theta by using this substitution. Okay? Let's practice this equation. I give the substitution x equals 5 sine theta. So we're gonna use, guys, this one. Look at this one. Square root 25 minus x squared. So square root 25 minus x squared, 5 sine theta square. So 5 sine theta square meaning is 5 sine theta, 5 sine theta. That's the 25 sine square theta. So you have this one, 25 minus 25 sine square theta. Oh, wait a minute. Here is 25, 25. So you're going to take out common factor. So you have square root 25, 1 minus sine square theta. So this one separate square root 25, square root 1 minus sine square theta, which meaning is 5. What is 1 minus sine square theta? This is cosine square theta. Here is a square root, cosine square theta, square root and square. That's the 5 cosine theta.